Hey, welcome back, modelers. Just got a little bit of a show and tell that I'm going to give you guys today. Been working on a Lancaster kind of as a side project, and I just want to show you guys the interior of this before it just kind of disappears as I put the fuselage halves together. Kind of sad. Been this tempted to just put it in, make it into a cutaway, but I think I'll save that for a bigger one. But I'm going to show you the Quinta Studio details that I put into this that are just plain insane. So if you take a look at that map, it actually has molded folds into it. Just crazy. So you got the engineer's panel that has all your dials and everything all set up. Super duper cool. You got the radio. And so you don't have to worry about painting all of that. It just stick it on and you're good to go. Beyond there, one thing I'll show you, little extra details that I've done. So we got the electrical panel kind of in there. And I added a bunch of the wires coming out of it that I saw in some of my reference. So that, yeah, it took basically a whole evening. And coming into the pilot seat, so I decided to use the Eduard photo etch for that because they looked a little bit better than kind of the Quinta Studio. And then the coolest part for sure is getting into the instrument panel. All sorts of crazy cool detail in there. And with this and the bird cage, how it's going to be set up, there's going to be plenty of view that you can be able to see that from, with kind of like the greenhouse that you have in the top. So you have that. So there you can see just the Quinta seatbelt, which it's not really going to see the light of day anymore, so I definitely put that in there. There is some details for whatever these electrical devices are, but kind of can't see them anymore. They are taken up. Moving up to the front, you get all sorts of details for whatever these boxes are up in the front. That's part of the bomb aimers section. So that's pretty dang cool. So let me show you the other half. So got some more details there. Haven't put on the bomb sight yet. But you can see a few of the little electrical panels that come with the Quinta set. Not a cheap set, but anyway. The other thing that I decided to do that was a little bit crazy, the whole spar with the wing spar here is actually just like this big void. And I thought that would look really weird and ugly because I'm going to have this escape hatch kind of open so you can look through. And just looking into that void, I think that would look a little bit weird. So I decided to fill it in and add all the rib sparring and everything. What I should have done, I was using solder wire for the horizontal section. And what I should have done is something else. I was thinking, even I was brushing my teeth. I'm like, oh, the bristles on this would have been really good. But no. So that's where they look a little bit funky. But how much view they're going to get, I think it's actually going to work out pretty well. So that I filled in on both sides. And then I'm tempted to kind of fill in how you have these window sections. But if it's actually going to get any view, probably not. So I think I could, spend months just detailing the inside of this if I wanted to. But it's not going to be seen. So maybe another time, another place, I'll make like a cutaway of it or something. But I am really eager to get into the painting and weathering of this. So this puppy is going to get put back together, put fuselage halves together, and go from there. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Want to make sure I get that on camera before, put it all up. And I'll put some pictures here next.